Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing, installation, and review of the HRX BSC matte black industrial dome light. My first impression was it was very well packaged, and the black flush mount light fixture was perfect combination of metal and glass and a black finish. Perfect for the industrial look. As you can see, it came with instructions, matte black framing, glass enclosure, matte black base, a mounting bracket, and assorted hardware. This light fixture is perfect for entryways, kitchens, hallways, foyers, corridors. I chose to use it in an upstairs hallway. Here's the lighting fixture all put together. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes, and one thing I was really impressed with was that the fit and finish of the base and all of the pieces that came with it were really nice. It went together really easily. So now I'm gonna go and install this onto my ceiling. The installation was pretty straightforward. I connected the 4 wires and placed the light fixture flush against the wall and through the nipple and screwed on the cap to secure it to the wall. Okay, so I now have this matte black flush mount ceiling light installed. You guys can see it's hardwired. It wasn't very difficult to do, just 2 wires for each light. And it is 12 inches across by about 6 inches deep, and has a really nice matte black finish. And so if you're going for the industrial look, this actually fits really well. You guys can see we have kind of another light down this hallway, and it actually goes with it pretty well. So if you guys are looking for a nice glass industrial look with a matte black finish, really easy to install, then I would definitely recommend checking this one out. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.